We've come here to Zhejiang University where they've developed computational hydrographic printing using this bath here and just a normal 2D printer. You print onto a PVA film and their software morphs the surface of the hydrographic print to compensate for the geometry of the face. So we printed this PolySmooth model, polished in the polisher to smooth out the layers and create a nice clean surface for the hydrographic printing. And then this is the results you get after the dipping. Really cool.
So now, let's check out the software developed at Zhejiang that makes this process possible. The simulation software creates a texture map between the colours on the film and the surface locations on the model. This 3D map is then transformed into a 2D image you can print directly onto the PVA film. The next step is just to print the image on a PVA film using a conventional 2D inkjet printer. The edges of the film are then reinforced with masking tape, which helps create a sturdy frame around the PVA film. This is then very gently placed on top of the water and aligned underneath the mask. A chemical activator is then sprayed on, which softens the film and makes it easily stretchable. The dipping process can now begin, with the mask attached to a linear rail above. The ink adheres to the mask instantly and morphs around the contours of the face with pinpoint accuracy. After 30 seconds in the bath, you can remove the mask, and as you can see, the results are fantastic. The hydrographic immersion sticks really nicely to PolySmooth surface. A big thank you to Professor Kun Zhou for sharing his technology with Polymaker and allowing us to film in his lab.